Hello friends, welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. In this video, we will see how to add blog posts add-on of Elemento Addons to your site. First, install the Elemento Addons on your site. Now click on Edit with Elementor. You can add the add-on on any page if it is built with Elementor. From the left panel, look for the post add-on in the Elemento Addons section. Here it is, drag the add-on and drop it on the place you want to add it. You can also search for the add-on from this search bar. After adding the add-on, this panel should open where you can do further customization. In the layouts, a few options are given like post layout where you can change the style of the posts to list and slide. These are columns and posts. You can increase or decrease the posts through these options. These options are given to choose the post category and post type you want to show. Each post category will appear here that you can select. The content section controls what you want to show in the posts. You can enable and disable the title, excerpt, and button to show with these toggle buttons. This is given to change the HTML tag of the title content. If you want to less or more excerpt content, you can control it from here. Metadata is to control what you want to display under the title. Currently, the date is shown. You can also show the time, comments, and date modified. Here comes the sign to separate the metadata. This section is dedicated to the Read More button. Here you can select whether you want to show the button or not. Here you can change the text of the button. And this toggle button to open the blog in a new tab. The pagination is this section that lets you go to another page of blogs. You can choose numbers, the next and previous buttons, and both. Here you can set a limit of the pagination link. To align the pagination, use this section. Now let's see other post layouts. This is the list layout. This arranges the blogs in a list. And this is slide that shows the posts in the slider. Here you can see the number of posts for a slider. Here a separate setting is given to control the slider. You can select the number of rows and columns. If you want to set the slider to slide automatically, enable this button. Now it is sliding itself. These both are to set the slider speed and sliding direction. If you set the infinite loop to no, it will stop once the posts are over, but if it is on, it will remain sliding. You can insert the slider controls as arrows and dots. They help to slide the post manually. The style helps to stylize the components of posts. You can edit each component like image, title, meta, etc. separately. You can customize the typography, color, padding and margin, spacing, and alignment. In the advanced setting, you can customize the add-on as a whole. After all, save the changes and preview the site. The blog post add-on has come and working well. You can see the single page to see some more ideas. Here you can see the designs you can create with the blog post add-on. Download the Elemento add-on from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.